Hello everyone, my name is Siban. It's been a long time that I was doing sport. I was losing a lot of fat. Then I noticed from my chin that I lost fat from my chins as well. So I decided to contact Doku Clinic. I found them from the Instagram and I contacted them directly and they gave me all the details. They were very super professional. And now I'm so much excited. I came here to do my jawline. Let's see after the results.